Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your account on Lyons HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in lyo-ep.prismhr.com. You will be taken to the login portal of Lyons HR. In the username box, type in your account's username like this, and in the password box, type in your password of your account. Once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your account on Lyons HR. And if you want to create an account or you want to register your account on Lyons HR, you can click here register. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here forgot username or forgot password to reset it. So that's how you can log in into your account on Lyons HR. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.